Tweedy Pie began as Bob Johnston's personal project in Anaheim, California, between 1954 and 1956. Johnston, an instrument mechanic at a local airplane factory and member of the Orange County Igniters, transformed a 1923 Ford Model T Roadster into something extraordinary. He widened the body 3 inches and channeled it 4 inches over bobbed 1932 Ford frame rails, reducing the wheelbase to 84 inches. His aviation background showed in the meticulous instrumentation. Ed Roth later called them the best gauges known to man. Johnston's nephew Dick handled the metalwork and paint application in Bob's Bellflower garage, applying over 40 coats of lacquer in a custom purple shade copied from Union 76 Royal Triton oil packaging. The work was done using a vacuum cleaner as a spray gun. Lee Garofalo of Lee's Golden Needle upholstered the interior with white roll-and-pleat vinyl. In 1958, Ed Roth added his signature pinstriping to the Roadster. The car initially ran a flathead V8, but Johnston swapped it for a 1957 Chevrolet Corvette 283 engine before September 1959, when Tweedy Pie won Best Roadster at Disneyland's Car Club Day and Autocade. The December 1959 Rotting and Restyling magazine featured it on the cover. Johnston upgraded the engine again with a polished Offenhauser manifold sporting 6 Stromberg 97 carburetors, though he restricted the throttle to half power after destroying axles during testing. He chromed the rear-end center housing, but avoided chroming the axle tubes due to embrittlement concerns. In 1962, Roth purchased Tweedy Pie for $150 with a certified check from Revell's account. Roth added quad headlights, chrome-reversed wheels with baby moon hubcaps, and additional chrome detailing. The car appeared on Rod & Custom's March 1962 cover and became a phenomenally successful Revell model kit, selling 3.5 million copies in its first year and exceeding 11 million total sales. Roth sold the Roadster to Chris Lovoy after several years. Lovoy modified it with rear fenders, a muffled exhaust system, fabric top, lavender upholstery, Kragar wheels, and cycle fenders. Larry Tarantolo of Custer Park, Illinois, later acquired it and restored it to its 1962 Roth configuration. The car's auction history reflects hot rod market fluctuations. It failed to sell at Mecum Monterey 2010, despite a $200,000 bid, sold for $335,500 at Russo and Steele in January 2007, then dropped to $176,000 at RM Auctions Arizona 2011. Tweedy Pie now resides in the Roth collection at Galpin Autosports in Van Nuys, California, standing as a monument to Southern California's golden age of hot rod creativity.